Install BlueStacks 5 on Windows 11. We are talking about BlueStacks for Windows 11 because we recently received many messages from our readers asking about BlueStacks compatibility with Windows 11 and how to install it on the new operating system. If you are reading this article, you are probably searching for the same. Hence, below, we have shared a step-by-step guide on installing and using BlueStacks on Windows 11. Let's get started. Open your favorite web browser and visit the official BlueStacks website. On the official website, click on the Download BlueStacks 5 button. If you want offline installation files, check our guide Download BlueStacks for Windows 11. 2. This will download the BlueStacks installer on your device. Open the Downloads folder and double-click on the BlueStacks installer.exe file. On the installation screen, click on the Install Now button. Now, wait until the BlueStacks emulator downloads and installs on your Windows 11 device. Once installed, the BlueStacks app player will launch automatically, and you will see a screen like the one below. How to use BlueStacks on Windows 11. After installing BlueStacks on Windows 11, you can run it easily. To start using BlueStacks, click on the Play Store icon. Now on the Google Play sign-in screen, click the Sign In button and enter your Google account details. You can explore the BlueStacks settings to optimize the performance of the Android emulator on Windows 11.